So based on my comparison video of the Neo 3 Classic to the Neo 3 Beta, some people had some questions on size differences. Some people had reported that you should order a half size different than the Neo 2s when getting the Neo 3 Betas or the Neo 3s. So I'm going to do a quick comparison here. First, I just want to give you a look at the toe boxes here between the Neo 2s, the 3 Classics, and the 3 Betas. And there's really not much difference in height between any of these three. I also took measurements front to back, side to side, virtually the same. So length and width of the base plate on these are basically the same. So I'm going to go ahead and slip them all on and just kind of report on how they feel and see where my toes are in each one. So here is the Neo 2. It's nice and snug through here, and my toe is right near the front. So right there. When I first purchased these in 9.5s, which are the size I would normally order in cleats, although Adidas and Nike, sometimes I have to get 10. They almost seem like they would be too tight right through here. I was a little worried. I mean, my toe is literally right at the front of that cleat. However, they ended up being perfect. They stretched perfectly and feel perfect, and my toe does not rub here at all like I was worried about initially a number of years ago with the Neo 2s. So I've always gone with this size, and again, toes right there. It's nice and snug through here, but not tight. So now we'll try the Neo 3. Okay, so this is the Neo 3 Classic, the tongue. So in through here, and I've only played in these 5 times. Of course, these over here are probably around a year old. Again, snug through here, but feel pretty good. And again, my toe is right at the tip of this, maybe. So I think between these two, exactly the same fit. I don't really see much difference. There's maybe a little more room here. Maybe slightly looser in the toe area, but the length is the same, and it feels snug through here, through the ball, and through the side of the foot. So maybe just a tiny bit more room here, but not much. So that was the Neo 3 Classics. So let's try the Betas. Okay, so here's the Betas. Again, snug through here like I would expect, and my toe virtually the same place. So lengthwise, all three of these I consider exactly equal. Through here, through the ball of the foot, and the outside seem to be exactly the same. Up through here, where I maybe notice a little bit of extra room is kind of on top here, but maybe not. I could be just imagining that. But keeping in mind that only one play session on these due to some serious ankle blisters right here, 5 in these, and who knows how many of those, a lot. So overall size, I would stay with the same size. If you had for 9.5 in this, I'm 9.5 in both these. Fits exactly the same. And I'm hoping to get a couple more sessions out of these once my blisters heal, and I can go full bore in them. All right, thanks.